In today's world, your facility's air quality and equipment performance are non-negotiable, but maintaining them shouldn't be a constant challenge. Unexpected downtime, rising energy costs, and the constant cycle of ordering, replacing and disposing of filters can drain your resources and time. What if you had a first line of defence, a dedicated partner to ensure your filtration systems operated at peak efficiency 24/7? Advanced Filtration Group's certified service team is their partner. We provide a start to finish solution. We help you maximise equipment lifespan, improve indoor air quality for occupants, and achieve significant energy savings, all while freeing up your team to focus on their core work. At Advanced Filtration Group, we believe world-class filtration shouldn't be complicated. Our national team is ready to become an extension of your operations, ensuring your facility is protected, efficient and compliant. Contact us today to schedule your free, no-obligation filtration assessment. Let us show you the advanced difference.